Having trouble withdrawing USDT from your OKX wallet? Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through the troubleshooting steps to resolve withdrawal issues using your seed phrase safely. Let's get your funds out of OKX with ease. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. If you're new here, we provide easy-to-follow crypto tutorials and tips. Today's question comes from a viewer who says, I can't withdraw USDT from my OKX wallet. Can you help? If you're also facing withdrawal issues with your OKX wallet, don't panic. We've got you covered with step-by-step instructions on how to fix it. But before we dive in, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful crypto tips. Section 1. Restore your OKX wallet with the seed phrase. First, let's ensure that your OKX wallet is set up correctly. Here's how to restore your wallet using the seed phrase. 1. Double-check your seed phrase. Make sure you've typed the seed phrase correctly. Each word must be exactly as shown, without any spaces or typos. It's crucial because if there's a mistake, you won't be able to restore your wallet. 2. Restore your wallet in the OKX app. If your wallet isn't showing your USDT, go ahead and restore your wallet using your seed phrase. To do this, 1. Open the OKX app and choose Restore Wallet. 2. Enter the seed phrase carefully, one word at a time. Once you've restored your wallet, check your USDT balance. Section 2. Verify USDT balance and network settings. Once your wallet is restored, the next step is to check your USDT balance and network settings. 1. Check your USDT balance. Navigate to the Asset section in your OKX wallet. Ensure that USDT is listed, and check if the amount you want to withdraw is available. 2. Check the network settings. USDT exists on different blockchains, such as ERC20, TRC20, and BEP-20. It's essential to make sure that the network you are trying to send USDT on matches the network of the destination wallet or exchange. If you're sending USDT from OKX to a wallet or exchange, verify which network they support. For example, if you're transferring USDT via TRC20, you'll need to make sure that the destination address supports TRC-20 USDT as well. Section 3. Check for pending transactions or network congestion. Another reason you may not be able to withdraw your USDT could be because of pending transactions or network congestion. Here's how to troubleshoot. 1. Check for pending transactions. If there's a pending transaction that hasn't been processed yet, it may block your withdrawal. Head to the transaction history in the OKX app and check for any unconfirmed or stuck transactions. 2. Check for network congestion. Sometimes the blockchain network may be congested, causing delays in transactions. If you're using networks like ERC-20, transactions can be slower or delayed when there's high traffic. If this is the case, wait for the network to clear up or try again later. Section 4. Ensure sufficient gas fees and funds. If everything looks good with your balance and network, the next step is to ensure that you have enough funds to cover the transaction fees. TRX for TRC20 USDT. If you're transferring USDT on the TRC20 network, ensure you have enough TRX Tron in your OKX wallet to cover the transaction fee. Without TRX, your withdrawal will fail. ETH or BNB for ERC-20 or BEP-20 USDT. If you're using the ERC-20 or BEP-20 network, ensure you have enough ETH or BNB in your wallet for gas fees. Section 5. Update OKX app and clear cache. If you've checked your balance, network settings, and gas fees and are still having trouble, there could be an issue with the OKX app. Try the following. 1. Update the OKX app. Ensure your OKX app is up to date. Older versions may have bugs that could affect withdrawal functionality. 2. Clear cache and restart. If everything seems correct, but you're still facing issues, try clearing the app's cache or restarting the OKX app. This may resolve any bugs preventing your transaction. Section 6. Contact OKX support for further assistance. If none of these steps work, don't worry, OKX has a great support team to help you. Contact OKX support. Go to the official OKX support page and submit a ticket describing your withdrawal issue. Include the details of your transaction, wallet address, and a screenshot if possible. Provide necessary information. Be sure to provide all the necessary details when reaching out to support. The more information you provide, the quicker they'll be able to assist you in resolving your issue. That's all for today. We hope this video helped you solve your USDT withdrawal issue from your OKX wallet. Remember, always double check your seed phrase, verify your network settings, ensure you have enough gas fees, and reach out to OKX support if needed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.